in this question, we are given a table, all right, and then we have price and we have number of tickets sold on different days, and we need to find the difference between the maximum and minimum ticket sale revenue from a single performance. Now remember, when you have price and number of tickets sold, revenue is nothing but price into number of tickets sold. Now over here, notice that on Thursday you have the minimum price, which is $40, and the minimum number of tickets sold, right? So among all these 40, 50, 40 and 50, 40 is the minimum. So you have two cases of 40, and among all of these 200, 240, 220 and 300, 200 is the minimum. So on Thursday, this is Thursday, right? You have the minimum price and minimum number. All right. Now on Saturday, you can see that you have the maximum price and the maximum number. So among 40, 50, 40 and 50, you have 50, which again is one among these two, which is the maximum price. And you have 300 over here, which is the maximum number. So definitely if you have a product, and again over here, remember revenue is price into number. If you reduce both, if you minimize both, you will get the minimum revenue. And if you maximize both, you will get the maximum revenue, right? So the minimum revenue will be 40 into 200, which is 8,000, right? And the maximum revenue will be 50 into 300, which is 15,000. Now the question asks us to find the difference between the maximum revenue and the minimum revenue. So that will be 15,000 minus 8,000, which is equal to 7,000, and that is your answer, which is answer option D. Now alternatively, you could just find the product in each of these cases. So you'll get 8,000 on Thursday, and on Friday you will get 12,000. Saturday you will get again 8,800, and for Saturday night you will get 15,000. And then you can see that this is the minimum and this is the maximum, and then you need to find the difference, and again you will get the answer as 7,000. Now let's look at what the question tests. Over here you should be able to do a simple calculation, which is the product of two numbers, right? So that's definitely something that you should be able to do quickly under exam circumstances. And secondly, to solve this question in a faster manner, let's say x is equal to a into b, you should know that if you have a set of possibilities where in one case you have a max and b max, and in one case you have a min and b min, then you should know that if you maximize both of these, then you will get x max, right? You'll get the maximum product when you have maximum of a and maximum of b. Now if you have minimum of both, you will get the minimum possible, or x min. Now if the case is such that in one case you have a max and in one case you have just one b, and then you have some other a2, let's say, and you have b max, all right? Now in this case you need to find both the products to see which one among these two will give a bigger product. That is, you have to multiply a max into b1, and then you have to multiply a2 into b max and see which one is bigger. But over here, as we have seen, there was this advantage, right? There was maximum of price and number of sold on Saturday night. That was Saturday night. And then there was minimum of price and tickets sold, and that was during Thursday night, right? So that makes the question faster. You don't need to actually multiply all the possibilities. Do check the description to know more about my GMAT Math live bootcamp, and remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the next video.